Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch with your mobile device. First, ensure both your phone and watch are adequately charged, ideally to at least 50%, to prevent interruptions. Next, verify that your phone's operating system meets the minimum requirements for your smartwatch. Finally, download and install the correct companion application for your specific smartwatch model from your phone's app store. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth setup. Now, let's move on to the pairing process. Begin by enabling Bluetooth on your mobile device and making sure it is discoverable. Then, open the companion app you just installed and look for an option to add or pair a new device. Your smartwatch should automatically enter pairing mode when first turned on, or you may need to activate it through its settings. Once your watch appears in the app, select it and confirm that the unique pairing code matches on both screens before proceeding. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry, there are simple troubleshooting steps. First, try restarting both your smartwatch and your mobile phone, as this often resolves minor software glitches. Ensure your devices are within close Bluetooth range, usually about 10 meters or 30 feet, for a stable connection. Also, check for and install any available software updates for both your watch and phone. If problems persist, unpair the devices from your phone's Bluetooth settings, and then attempt the pairing process again from the beginning. Once successfully connected, grant all necessary permissions within the companion app to unlock your smartwatch's full potential. You'll then enjoy seamless notifications, calls, and messages delivered right to your wrist, keeping you connected without constantly checking your phone. Your smartwatch will also track valuable health and fitness data, like your steps, heart rate, and sleep. Plus, you can conveniently control music playback and even make mobile payments directly from your wrist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.